Okay, so we're going to make some salad. This is what is Chinese cabbage or NAPA cabbage. Okay, so what you want to do, wash it, remove this, and then flip them over and start very fine. Yeah, that's it. Same thing when you use this for, I use it for kimchi, but in kimchi it's different. This one is SLAW, and then you put them in a container like this. Yeah. Then we'll put some onion. Here we go. We put them in there. Okay, now we'll get some tomato. Get them up. Slice. Let's see. Split them, put it in here. Thinly slice is always better. Here you don't want to. And then you have yellow and red sweet pepper. You know, okay, this is the pimentos dulce. It's really local in Italy. Travel to Mexico, and then that's how they use. And then slice them. Give them a little bit of sweetness flavor, plus crunchy. That seed is not hot, so it's just gonna be thrown away. Here we go. And get one of shredded. You have carrots, and just be careful when you shred them. Be careful in your hand. And that's it. Yeah, you put them in, all of them at once. And then I would say it's only one lime. Come up, put this over here down. We're not scarred. See, right here, it's a little lime. Always try to get as much juice as you can. Okay, here we go. The good thing about lime is has a very fresh taste in it, you know, and it's not strong acid. And then we'll put some vinegar in it to make sure as to balance it out, the flavor. Tomato, you know, salt and pepper, you know, it's a good thing. Yeah, you have to be a good judge of putting salt and pepper in it. And then you add datu puti. Of course, white pepper, vinegar is good, you know, anything. Olive oil is okay. Just don't get the virgin because that's a very strong flavor. So you only will use regular salad oil. 50-50. 50% olive oil, 50% vegetable oil. I don't know, I don't suggest you guys using canola oil. Here we go. That's your cream. And if you have ready-made salad that you can buy in the store, like red wine vinaigrette, balsamic vinaigrette, you know, name it. You know, now you can buy Caribbean. So use those. And then here we go. I'll use them and then we toast them. Voila, that's it. The final product is toasting. This is gonna be eaten with banana and churrasco. Of course, I have to make chimichurri a little bit because chimichurri is the secret of the flavor on the churrasco. Garlic, but you see, I made different. I made red chimichurri. I will make red chimichurri. It's not. I don't know. You know, I like both. I like green and I like thin, but I don't have parsley, so I'm gonna make the red. Just using onion, garlic, black pepper, and that's your salad right here. Okay, let me taste it and see how's the balance of acid. Delicious.